Looking for the best plants for your children's garden? You've come to the right place. Today, we're exploring the top 5 plants that can turn your garden into a green haven for the little ones. Get ready to transform your garden into a children's paradise. First up, sunflowers, a classic choice for any children's garden. The beauty of sunflowers lies in their simplicity. They're easy to grow, sprout quickly, and their towering height never fails to amaze. Sunflowers will surely bring a sunny smile to your children's faces. Next on our list, cherry tomatoes, a delicious and educational addition. Growing these tiny tasty treats can be a fun way for kids to learn about food growth. Easy to nurture, they promise a scrumptious harvest. Cherry tomatoes, a garden gift that keeps on giving. Moving on to marigolds, a vibrant and resilient flower. These beauties are beginner-friendly, thriving in varied conditions. Their fiery hues are sure to paint your garden with joy. With marigolds, your garden will be as cheerful as your children. Our fourth pick is mint, a fragrant and versatile plant. This easy-to-grow herb offers endless fun, from spicing up your dinner to crafting homemade potpourri. Its refreshing scent invites beneficial insects, making mint a refreshing addition to your children's garden. And finally, snapdragons, a fascinating and interactive plant. Their unique shape and ability to snap open and closed make them a delightful feature in any children's garden. Available in a variety of colors, snapdragons will surely spark your children's curiosity and imagination. There you have it, the top 5 plants for a children's garden. We've explored sunflowers, cherry tomatoes, marigolds, mint, and snapdragons. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!